next topic is demand. Demand is desire. Our wish backed by willingness to pay. If we are willing to pay, if we are ready to give the money, and ability to pay, if we have money to give the seller, that is demand. So demand is desire plus willingness to pay plus ability to pay. Consumers desire to buy a good usually considered as demand. Consumers desire to buy. Consumers want to buy a good usually considered as a demand. Demand for a commodity is the quantity of a commodity that a consumer is willing to buy in a given period of time at a given price. It is the demand for a commodity means quantity of a commodity, how much quantity we are purchasing, that consumer is willing to buy, he is ready to buy in a given period of time at a fixed price. Individual demand curve can define the quantity of a commodity that an individual consumer is willing to buy from the market in a given period of time at a given price. Individual demand curve can define the quantity of a commodity that an individual consumer is willing to buy from the market in a given period of time at a given price. Then demand function. The functional relationship between demand and determinants of demand is called demand function. The functional relationship between demand and determinants of the demand is called demand function. The relationship between demand, that is represented as Q, and its determinants can be represented as the price of the commodity, that is represented as P. Then income of the consumer, that is M. Price of the related goods, that can be considered as price of PS, price of related goods. Price of complementary goods, that is PC. Then taste and preference of the consumers, T. These are the determinants of the demand. So determinants of the demand are price of the commodity, income of the consumer, price of related goods, price of complementary goods, taste and preference. Then we can represent this relation in a functional form, that is Q equal to F of P PS PC M T. P means price, PS means price of related goods, PC means complementary goods, M means income of the consumer, T means taste and preference. The price is the most important factor among the determinants of the demand. Therefore, the consumer's demand for a commodity can be written as the function of price. That is Q equal to F of P. Q equal to F of P. Okay. So the major function determining factor of the demand is price. We can represent demand function as Q equal to F of P.